Hello everyone. Today we will learn about possessive nouns. Do you have any idea what the word possessive means? It means something you own. In other words, you can say it's mine. So possessive are used with nouns which are the names of living things and sometimes places to show possession or ownership. It answers the question whose. Now let us read these sentences, children. These books belong to Rahul. The brother of Mary is my classmate. Can we shorten these sentences? Yes. So we may read, these are Rahul's books. Mary's brother is my classmate. Did you notice that we put an apostrophe and S after Rahul and Mary to show the belonging and possession? So Rahul and Mary is changed into Rahul's and Mary's. So when we put an apostrophe after a noun to show possession, it is called as possessive form. Understood? Is it clear, children? Now how can we form the possessive form? So let us take singular nouns. Read these sentences, children. The girl's dress is dirty. The lady's purse is very expensive. This is Mohan's dog. In these sentences, the singular nouns are girl, lady, Mohan, and the things that belong to them are dress, purse, and dog. Notice an apostrophe S is added to them so that it becomes the girl's dress, the lady's purse, and Mohan's dog. So when the noun is singular, children, we form the possessive form by adding apostrophe S. Remember, children, if a singular word ends in S, it is still necessary to add apostrophe S. To understand better, children, let us take this example, Charles' trousers. The singular word is ending with S. Charles is ending with S. So we add apostrophe S to it. Understood? You may find certain names such as Jesus, Moses, whose pronunciation ends in a Z or a hissing sound. Then you will add only apostrophe, children, not S. So it will be Jesus apostrophe Moses apostrophe. Keep this in mind, children. I hope you have understood till here. Now one more thing to remember, children. If two people own something together, use an apostrophe S after the second person only. For example, Joe and Mary's car is new. That is, both Joe and Mary own that car. So you have put apostrophe S to the second person, that is Mary's. Alright, if two people own two different things, you will add apostrophe S to each name. For example, Laura's and Mega's nails are painted the same color. So here each girl has her own nails. So apostrophe S is added to both the names. Did you notice that, children? Alright. The possessive form is normally used with people and other living things like birds, animals, and not with non-living things, children. So how can we express the possessive forms of non-living things? So here we use the preposition of. For example, the tires of the car. We do not say car's tires. The legs of the table. We do not say table's legs. Understood? But there are some exceptions, children. We do say sun's rays, the earth's diameter, India's population, an hour's walk, a month's leaf. Understood? So next we have the possessive form of plural nouns. Let's take the plural form of cat, that is cats. Here to form a possessive form, we add only apostrophe to the end of the word. That is cats. After S we put apostrophe. Now let us take few more examples, children. Dogs collars, boys hostel. So after dogs S we put an apostrophe. Then boys after S we put an apostrophe. Now can you tell me what will happen if the word is not ending with S? We had in singular nouns, children. Same, we will follow the same thing. We will add apostrophe S to it. For example, children's homework. We have children, then we put apostrophe S. Fish bowls. Fish apostrophe S. Men's club. Men, we put apostrophe S. Understood? I hope that the concept is clear to you now. Now let us do an exercise. Choose them. Before we begin, let me remind you that you have to see whether it is a singular noun or a plural noun. So let us take the first one. Mohan apostrophe S book or Mohan's apostrophe book. Which one is correct? Yes, the book is a singular noun, so it is Mohan apostrophe S book. Let's take the second one. The house's door or the door of the house. So here it is referring to the non-living thing. So the second one is correct. The door of the house. Let's take the third one. Men apostrophe S hats or men's apostrophe hats. Here men is the plural form. So men apostrophe S hats is correct. Then we take the fourth one. Books apostrophe covers or book apostrophe S covers. So here covers is the plural form. So we take the first one, books apostrophe covers. Then the last one, the farmer's hat or the hat of the farmer. So the first one, the farmer's hat. Hat is a singular one. So it is right. Well done, children. Now here is a recap of what you have learnt in this chapter and a worksheet for you to practice. The more you practice, children, the better you will learn. So keep practicing and thank you.